This modern-day Superman makes scaling between two walls look easy. Hello everyone, and welcome to the blind side of the internet. Today, we'll be checking out things you will see for the first time in your life. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any awesome videos like these. This dude uses pieces of burning wood to create amazing art. It's hard to believe that this design will turn into a chair. This performer has a stunt routine that seems impossible for a human to accomplish. This is what the hand looks like super close up. This keyboard art is unbelievable. This dude times his backflip with the ocean wave flawlessly. Well, this is one way to quickly get out of the water and onto the dock. If you ever need to split a large chunk of rock by hand, you should call this dude. This stretch of the Italian Vicoli rally stage is so narrow that these cars almost scrape the walls on both sides. This hurdler is in the zone as he jumps over these hurdles. This guy makes a standing double backflip look so easy. Artists use all different types of materials to draw. This one uses a typewriter. Here's a scientist collecting lava samples like a boss. It took 15 years for this artist to create this book of amazing art. This forklift driver's quick thinking and agility saves the day. This artist is no amateur. I don't think anyone expected this final picture. This is what a billboard in Seoul, South Korea looks like. This 9-year-old Kung Fu kid is amazing. This water jet can cut things in half like it's cutting through butter. This barista sure knows what they're doing when it comes to latte art. This man's insane freestyle jump roping is something you have to see to believe. She opens her locked car door with only her shoelace. In this fight of magnet versus mosquito, the magnet wins. This yacht is tested for anti-capsizing in rough seas, and I would say it passes the test. This race car driver has extreme pedal control as he drifts around the corners. If you've ever wondered how the lamps on a motorcycle from the 1920s are lit, here is how. This man builds a Da Vinci bridge in a matter of seconds. This guy proves he has an insane amount of core strength as he jumps onto the pole and holds a vertical pose with just his feet touching the pole. Thanks so much for watching. What was your favorite clip? Let us know in the comments.